Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new collage on Pinterest, using the latest features as of 2025. Whether you want to showcase your favorite memories, plan your next project, or simply get creative, making a collage on Pinterest is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you'll see several options. Tap on Pins to view all the content you've saved. Next, look for the plus sign, or the plus icon, usually found at the top right of your screen. Give that a tap. A menu will pop up, giving you a few different options. For this tutorial, select Collage. Now comes the fun part, choosing the images or pins you want to include in your collage. You can select multiple photos or pins from your collection, so feel free to mix and match your favorites. Once you've picked out your images, tap Next. You'll now see a layout editor where you can arrange your selected images. Drag and drop each image into the position you like best. Play around with the arrangement until your collage looks just right. You can resize and move each image to create a unique design that fits your style. When you're happy with your layout, tap Next again. Here, you'll be prompted to give your collage a name. Choose something that reflects the theme or mood of your creation, whether it's summer inspiration, dream home ideas, or anything you like. Finally, tap Create to publish your collage. Your new collage will be added to your profile and visible to your followers, ready to inspire others or serve as your personal vision board. That's it. You've just created a stunning collage on Pinterest in a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and creative ideas. Thanks for watching.